Let's face it, meme coin traders, altcoin traders, they are all losing money. Even Bitcoin and Ethereum is down. But you know who is making the actual big money? It's market makers, insiders, and developers. That's why in today's video, I'm going to explain you how can you actually become all of these things using simple crypto tools. But before that, I need to remind you, I'm a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. All the tools shown in today's video are purely for educational and entertainment purposes. So today we are talking about how to become market maker, kind of a developer and insider yourself. And to achieve these results, we will be using market making tool, which is called Infinity Rocket, that allows you to actually kind of decide yourself where the token is headed. This tool allows you to accumulate tokens, to actually slowly sell off the tokens, and also add buy pressure or sell pressure to select tokens. So first of all, let's start our journey on the website. Let's talk about the features, and later we're going to jump into the dashboard and I will show you how this bot works from the inside, all the different settings and all the different things you can do with it. So first of all, you can see Infinity Rocket. You can find the link in the description to follow what I'm doing. One great thing with this bot, you can actually use it with a free trial. So if you use my link in the description, you can test this bot for free. So why not? So first of all, what is this bot offering? So you can see right here, we have volume bot, we have pump bot, we have dump bot. You can decide on different time intervals for all of these actions. They also have different presets. You can see they have daily smooth chart bot. You can sign up dynamic gas prices, slippage, buy and sell quantity for all of these actions. Also, they have counter bot and trigger bot. I will show you what all of these things mean. But of course, if you've been in crypto, you probably understand this is a really powerful tool. And again, they have 3 days for free. Also, what's really cool about it, they support all the major chains, which is really important right now because we have meme coins, altcoins launching on so many different chains. And of course, sometimes we have a hype on Solana. Sometimes there is a big hype on BNB, sometimes even Ethereum. Who knows? Maybe it's going to be back. So you can see what kind of blockchains we can use. We can use Solana, Tron, Avalanche, Ethereum, Base, BSC, Arbitrum, and Polygon. So all the major chains are here. And also you can do all of these actions we just mentioned: volume bots, buy, sell, support the price, support the pump on all the major exchanges. We have Radium, we have PancakeSwap, we also have Meteora, and we have PumpSwap. So all the major platforms are here, which is really important again because we have so many different trends and these trends are moving day to day. So you have to be ready for all the chains and all the different exchanges. And if you scroll down, you can also select different plans. With each plan, of course, you have more utilities, also how many bots are running because it's not a new bot. Lots of experienced insiders, developers are using this bot. And also you can see some of the examples, how this bot works and what kind of results can you expect. And now without wasting anybody's time, let's jump in straight to the dashboard. So once you sign up, you'll have this really simple window where you can actually click on it and add different tokens you want to use all of these tools on. So for example, you can see I have 3 different tokens. I will show you how the platform actually works on their own token, which is called RRT, which is Infinity Rocket token. So you can see already I tried this bot. You can see I have a Rocket plan, which is paid plan. But if you're using it for the first time, again, they have a free trial for you to test out the bot. So if you have new token, just click add new token, select what kind of network. Again, we have BSC, Ethereum, Base, all the popular tokens. Paste in the contract address. You can find it, for example, right here. Just copy, paste in right here and discover pairs. That's it. And after that, you have to connect wallets you plan to use to do all of these actions: to buy, to sell, to accumulate, or to dump the tokens. And actually, if you're completely new and you're completely lost, they have a full tutorial. I will leave the link in the description where they have step-by-step guide explaining you what each window means, what each button do, and also how to connect different chains and different wallets. If you've been in crypto, it's really easy. Again, add new token, add the contract address, select the proper chain, and then add wallet. Again, for BNB and EVM chains, you will be using MetaMask or other wallets, and for Solana, you're going to be using Phantom or other Solana wallets. So now let's jump into our example. It's going to be IRT token, which is the platform token. I think it's a good choice. Once you're there, we have 3 buttons. buttons. The first button is wallets. Right here, you can actually connect additional wallets to do these actions. For example, if you're using it as a volume bot, it's better to have multiple wallets because it's not really great to see in the chart same wallet buying and selling. The more wallets, the better. And again, it's really easy concept. Click add new wallet, name the wallet and add private key. That's it. Your wallet's connected. I already have one test wallet to show you how it all works. After that, you can also whitelist some addresses. For this video, we're gonna skip the stage, and also you have to add different bots. Right now, we have one bot, which I added before doing this video. So if you click on here, you can see all the different settings, all the different tests I did. But let's go back and I'll add additional new bot just to show you how it all works from the clean page. So add new bot, and you can add trade bot. And right here, to make it really easy to understand, we have presets. So you can have volume bot, which will buy and sell tokens. So right here, input how much do you want to buy and how much to sell, and how often do you want this action to be performed. After that, we have daily smooth sell bot. Basically, the bot will start buying the tokens smoothly through the day. After that, we have daily smooth buy bot. And lastly, we have pump bot and dump bot. So pump will buy the token, pumping the price, and dump bot will sell the token, dumping the price. And again, you can select how much of the token do you want to sell or buy and the time period for each action. Really simple. Next up, you can also add gas price or dynamic price and also add slippage. Again, for BNB token, I'm going to be using BNB. Again, if you go to wallets, click test, you can see how much BNB we have in our wallets. Not a big amount, but it's going to be enough for the testing purposes. If you go back to bots, again, click add new bot. We also have counter bots. So right here, you can actually play kind of a market maker because you can counter buy or counter sell. So you can see, for example, if there's a token and you have lots of this token in your wallet, the best way not to crash the price but sell your tokens to actually counter the buy. So someone buys, you sell. Someone buys, you sell. And this will keep the price stable, but also can sell out your tokens. And the same can be done with the opposite side. Again, this is basically what market makers do. They add additional volume. They support the price by counter buying or counter selling to support the price. And again, this is really simple, but these are the people who are actually making the money. Simply put, this is kind of a developer and also market maker and kind of also insider the tool because you can decide where the token goes just from this simple dashboard. So now let's run one of our bots, which was preset before. I actually changed some settings. You can see we had an error because we had the same time buying and selling. So now we set buying time 20 seconds, selling 30 seconds. So let's activate it. So you can see the bot is starting to run. If you jump in the token, you can see we are buying and selling. You can see our wallet. And you can see I also did some testing before the video because you have to set up each token separately and set it up correctly to actually make it work. But again, you can see we are doing these actions, and these actions are adding more buyers from the outside because they see active token with a healthy chart and they might be interested. So guys, you can find the link in the description. Again, you can see when you're ready, you can pause it. I will leave all the instructions also in the description. And remember, guys, this is what insiders and market makers are actually doing in the background. And this video, again, is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. No tools shown in this video will guarantee you any profits. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Subscribe and see you next time.